First time curling my hair after bleaching it. I am very excited to see how the curls turn out. I hope they curl and I hope they bounce back. And I also really hope that you can really notice the highlights once my hair is curls and dry. So let's get right into it. I'm actually going to be trying for the first time the diffuser attachment for the new Loreal hair dryer. This is the AirLight Pro. And this hair dryer is like next level. This is an intelligent hair dryer. It even has an app that you can use and adjust the settings. So we're going to try it out. I'm gonna time it and see how long it takes me to dry all my hair. But first we do have to add some product to my hair. So let's get right into that. I'm just gonna divide my hair right in the middle. By the way, this hair dryer is like $500. It is very expensive and I hope that it's worth it. I really enjoyed using this attachment to dry all my hair. But now let's see if the diffuser attachment is just as good. And of course I'm gonna time it and let's see how long it takes me to dry all my hair. First, I do wanna add a little tiny bit of water to my hair just to make sure that my hair is pretty wet. Now let's get into the first product. This is from K18. This is their leave-in molecular repair hair mask. Ever since I got bleached, I have been using this every single time I do my hair. So you guys will see me use this a lot because this is supposed to really help repair bonds over time. And if you have bleached hair, this product is a must. So I'm just gonna apply about 1 pump for the bottom section. Make sure to spread this. So once you emulsify it and it looks like this, you're gonna wanna apply it to your hair. Okay, let's add a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I have been loving this. I know it's so expensive, but I mean, I already bought it, so I might as well use it. And I probably would repurchase this because it's so good. This is the Dyson leave-in conditioner and I love the packaging of this. And even though I'm gonna leave my hair natural, I feel like this is gonna leave my hair super soft. So I have to add some of this. I love the packaging of this too. The spray is just amazing. Like it really does spread the product super well. My hair feels really good already, honestly. I mean, that K18 is no joke. And then this Dyson leave-in conditioner is also next level. I'm applying a pretty good amount. I'm gonna use this ergo brush just to spread the product as I go. And by the way, I'm doing this half section first and then I'm gonna do the top. And I'm just spreading the product. And of course, we do need some curl products. So I'm gonna use this one from Aveda. This is the Be Curly Curl Enhancer. So I'm gonna try this out. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this, about that much. And also just kind of like rake this through your hair from root to tip. Now let's define these curls with this brush from Bounce Curl. All you do is you brush your hair and as you can see, the curls are getting defined and divided right here. So it makes everything a lot easier. I definitely always have to scrunch a lot for my curls to even look like curls. Okay, it's looking a little bit better. It definitely looks more like a wave. So we'll see how it looks once I dry it. But now I'm going to use some gel. This is from Rizos Curls. This is new, I believe. It's the Strongholds Gel. This is supposed to help with frizz control. This is very thick. It almost feels, I mean, it's a Strongholds Gel, but it almost feels like glue. Like it's super thick, which I think I'm going to like. But I guess we'll see. I've tried this before and it's good. So if you want something that's gonna give you like very strong hold, you might like this. If you want more of a soft curl, then maybe skip this part. But I do like using gel whenever I curl my hair. For the top section, we're gonna do the same thing. So I'm just gonna fast forward this. I'm gonna add water. I'm gonna add some of the K18. Then I'll go in with the leave-in conditioner from Dyson. I'll also use the Aveda curl product. And then we're gonna finish with the gel. I'm gonna start a timer. Let's start drying my hair with the AirLight Pro. Wow, this thing is powerful. I mean, in literally 8 minutes, I was able to dry all my hair. One thing about this hair tool is that it's literally never on sale. Like I had been eyeing it for so long, probably a couple of months, and it just never went on sale. Like not even $50 off, $100 off would have been great. But this is almost $500. It is $475. I will say the nozzle attachment is amazing. Like I got such a smooth blowout with this hair tool, and this really does compare to like Dyson hair tools. It is really good. The diffuser attachment is a really good size in my opinion because it is small enough to give you a nice concentrated dry. It won't give you a ton of frizz, but it's big enough to give you also a pretty quick dry because you don't want a super small diffuser that's going to take you forever to dry your hair. Like this is like the perfect size. I really like it. The attachments are magnetic, which is also very nice. This dryer is supposed to dry hair 14% faster. I definitely noticed that this hair dryer does give you a quicker dry than other blow dryers that I have. This hairdryer combines the power of heat, wind, and infrared light for powerful, fast drying without damage and hydrated hair. Obviously, any hair tool is going to cause some heat damage, but I don't feel like this hairdryer dried out my hair. Like, it feels pretty moisturized. Obviously, it can be also the products that I used, but I really did enjoy using this hair tool for sure. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of this Dyson oil. This is also very expensive. I'm not sure if I would repurchase the oil. I mean, maybe I would, because it really is really nice. And I love combining it with the leave-in conditioner before a blowout. Like, it does an amazing job at just smoothing everything out, making everything look super shiny. But it is expensive. I think it's like $50. So I don't know if I would repurchase it. And it doesn't smell that good, if I'm being honest. I don't know, it has like a weird scent. I wish I could describe it to you guys, but it just doesn't smell like anything, which is also not my favorite. Just applying this to my hair just to add more shine, bring down some flyaways. I definitely noticed the highlights coming through. It definitely is a little bit more noticeable under natural sunlight. I'm gonna add a little tiny bit more just to like give some volume at the top, even though my hair is looking pretty big already. Of course, my curls are not like the best right now, but the hairdryer did dry my hair so quickly in like 8 minutes, and my hair is like literally completely dry. If anything, maybe like 95% dry, maybe, but it's pretty much dry. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm not mad about it. Honestly, I've been putting so much heat on my hair, and it's been a while since I like leave my hair natural like this. So the curls don't look as bad as I thought they were going to look. I also just put bleach on my hair, so I mean, the curls are still there, you know? As long as you take care of your hair over time, I think you should be fine. Lately, this is kind of how my hair curls naturally. So yeah, I don't think the bleach so far has done any curl damage. The damage that you see is from the heat, from all the hair tools. But for the most part, I actually like how my hair turns out. I don't really leave my hair natural that much. So this works for me, and I cannot expect my curls to look any better. But I definitely think that this hairdryer is no joke. This is next level. I mean, being able to dry my hair in 8 minutes, that's crazy. So I won't be returning this hair tool. I think it is definitely worth the money. But I know that I will be using this more for blowouts, and I will be using it more with the nozzle attachment. But I'm also glad that it brings a diffuser attachment, because that way I can just get a quick dry whenever I want to leave my hair natural. And if I'm traveling, I can just pack both of these attachments and I'm good to go. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much.